Hi, welcome to this video on calibrating the pH with the YSI ProQuatro. In this video, we'll show you why pH calibration is essential for accurate measurements and how to carry out a simple 1 or 2-point calibration depending on your needs. We'll take you through preparing your buffers, recognizing the correct calibration points, and verifying the sensor's response so you can trust your results in the field. The YSI ProQuatro supports 1-point, 2-point, and 3-point calibration routines. Field calibration kits from AirMet Scientific come with a 2-point calibration setup as standard, as this offers the best balance between accuracy and time. The order of buffers is not critical. Modern meters auto-recognize the common buffer types. Many users start with pH 7 and then go to either 4 or 10, but this is a convention, not a strict requirement. For your first calibration point, press Cal and highlight the YSI pH probe and press Enter. Rinse the probe with distilled water and blot gently. Then place the probe in the first buffer solution, pH 7 in this case. Reference the included temperature versus pH chart for buffer solutions provided by AirMet Scientific. A thermometer is recommended when calibrating the sensors to verify the temperature probe. Allow the readings to stabilize for approximately 40 seconds. The instrument displays the actual readings and adjusts automatically for the buffer temperature. When stable, highlight Accept Calibration. The instrument confirms success and prompts for the next buffer. Rinse the probe between buffer solutions. Insert the probe into the next buffer solution, which is pH 4 in this case. Then wait for stability. Once the unit has stabilized, press Accept Calibration. The unit will then prompt for a 3rd-point calibration, or for a 2-point calibration, simply navigate to Finish Calibration and hit Enter. After stability is detected, the unit automatically adjusts the slope. If 2 points satisfy operational accuracy, finish here. Record the pH millivolts for each calibration point. The acceptable millivolt output for each buffer solution are shown here. The ideal slope for 25 degrees Celsius is around 59.16 millivolt per pH unit. This is 100% of theoretical. Acceptable real-world slopes range between 55 to 60 millivolts per pH, which is around 93 to 102%. The slope below, which is around 53 millivolts per pH value, which is 90%, is typically flagged as a questionable reading and suggests an aging electrode, fouling, or poor buffer quality. In pH 7 buffer solution, millivolts should be around 0 plus or minus 50 millivolts. The difference between pH 7 and pH 4 is around 177 millivolts, which is ideal. The difference between pH 7 and 10 is also around negative 177 millivolts. Anything around 95 to 105% of these slope values indicate a generally acceptable measurement. If the instrument displays a slope error or calibration failed, do not accept the calibration results. Rinse and use fresh buffer solutions and recalibrate. If the issue persists, troubleshoot the sensor. After the final point, confirm the calibration completion and return to the measurement mode, ensuring the calibration is stored. Thanks for watching our pH calibration guide for the YSI ProQuatro. We hope you find these steps easy to follow and useful for your fieldwork. Be sure to explore our other videos in the series to learn even more about operating and maintaining your ProQuatro. And as always, if you need any help or further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local AirMet team on 1-800-000-744.